Today, we learn about radiation.
But radiation doesn't care what you think you understand. The lesson was clear and memorable and dangerously incomplete, because the message was, if you can block it, you can control it. But what if it gets inside? A minor spill. No alarm. He knew it wasn't gamma, so it was fine, or so he thought. Days passed. Months later, the damage was done. Internal contamination, a slow, invisible injury. The failure wasn't equipment, it was training. He knew the physics, but not the protection. Hard lessons changed everything. Training shifted from what radiation is to how it harms. And yet, some training still looks like the 1960s. That's not training, that's false confidence. Radiation isn't dangerous because it's powerful. It's dangerous because it's invisible. In safety, the hazard you can't see is the one that changes your life forever.